Today we're diving deep into the heart of Stoicism, unveiling 10 life-altering lessons that will empower you to keep calm, weather any storm, and emerge stronger than ever. Get ready to unlock ancient wisdom that's more relevant today than ever before. Lesson 1. Stoic Philosophy Unveiled. Ever wondered what Stoicism really is? Well, my friend, it's not about suppressing emotions, but rather understanding and mastering them. The Stoics believed in aligning our thoughts and actions with nature's grand plan, and that's the first lesson we'll be exploring today. Stoicism teaches us to align ourselves with the natural order of the universe. By accepting what we can't control and focusing on what we can, we free ourselves from unnecessary suffering. Just like a tree bends with the wind instead of resisting it, we learn to adapt and find peace within. Lesson 2. The Power of Perception. Did you know that events are neutral? It's our perception that assigns meaning. Stoicism teaches us to choose empowering interpretations. When we shift our focus from what's happening to us to how we respond to it, we hold the reins of our emotions. Practicing gratitude is a core Stoic practice. By appreciating the present moment and the simple joys of life, we cultivate contentment and reduce anxiety. Remember, what we have is often more than enough. Speaking of gratitude, I've started a Stoic gratitude journal, and it's been transformative. Share your experiences with gratitude in the comments below. Lesson 3. Embracing Virtue. At the heart of Stoicism lies the cultivation of virtues. The Stoics emphasized living a life of integrity, courage, and wisdom. By striving for these qualities, we become the best version of ourselves and navigate life's challenges with grace. Here's a challenge for you. Today, embody a Stoic virtue of your choice. It could be offering help to someone or facing a fear. Let's uplift each other by sharing our experiences in the comments. Lesson 4. The Dichotomy of Control. Stoicism introduces us to a powerful concept, the dichotomy of control. We can't control external events, but we have full control over our thoughts, reactions, and choices. By internalizing this, we liberate ourselves from unnecessary worries. Empowerment comes from focusing on what we can change. Today, let's practice this by consciously choosing our response to a challenging situation. Share your take charge moments in the comments below. Lesson 5. The Fragility of Life. Stoicism reminds us that life is fleeting. It's not meant to be squandered on trivial matters. By acknowledging the impermanence of life, we're motivated to live with purpose and cherish every moment. Carpe diem and seize the day, a motto that resonates with Stoic wisdom. Let's challenge ourselves to engage fully in today's activities. Whether it's trying something new or spending quality time with loved ones, let's embrace the present. Lesson 6. Acceptance of Fate. Stoicism teaches us to accept fate gracefully. While we can influence our actions, we can't control every outcome. By relinquishing the need for absolute control, we find tranquility even in uncertain times. Imagine letting go of a paper boat into a river, watching it navigate the currents. Similarly, we must release our tight grip on life's uncertainties. How do you practice surrender? Share your insights in the comments. Lesson 7. Practicing Mindfulness. Stoicism emphasizes mindfulness, being fully present in each moment. When we cultivate mindfulness, we detach ourselves from worries about the past or future, and we discover serenity in the now. Let's integrate mindfulness into our day. Take a deep breath, appreciate the sensations around you, and find beauty in the ordinary. Feel free to share your mindful experiences below. Lesson 8. The practice of self-reflection. Stoicism encourages self-reflection as a means to self-improvement. Taking time to assess our thoughts, actions, and progress helps us course-correct and evolve on our journey to tranquility. Think of self-reflection as a mirror for your soul. Today, set aside a few minutes to journal about your experiences, challenges, and insights. Sharing your reflections in the comments can inspire others too. Lesson 9. Cultivating equanimity. Equanimity is a gem of Stoic teachings. It's about maintaining inner balance amidst life's storms. By practicing detachment from outcomes and embracing whatever comes our way, we find enduring peace. Life's experiences are like waves, rising and falling. Equanimity teaches us to ride them with grace. Today, visualize yourself riding the waves of life, adaptable and untroubled. Share your equanimity moments below. Lesson 10. The unity of humanity. Stoicism reminds us that we're all part of a shared human experience. Our differences fade in the light of our common humanity. By treating others with empathy and kindness, we nurture harmony within and around us. Let's celebrate unity through acts of kindness. Whether it's a smile to a stranger or a helping hand to someone in need, let's create ripples of positivity. Share your stories of unity and kindness in the comments. A Stoic journey fulfilled. And there you have it, my friends. 10 profound lessons from Stoicism that empower us to keep calm and nurture our inner peace. As we embrace these teachings, we embark on a transformative journey towards a more tranquil and fulfilling life. If you found value in these lessons, remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Stoic Temperance for more enlightening content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to grow. Thank you for joining me on this voyage of self-discovery. May you continue to explore Stoic wisdom and carry its torch of temperance in your everyday life.